Excuse me. Excuse me.
We're gonna buy over that.
Alright, so I'm gonna hold it down, please. What's up, guys? Alright, so Bussweh here again. I am currently in Hanover. I'm here with these two. They're playing all over the place, and we need them for quiet down so we can do my video.
Bye, guys.
Alright. I just finished shooting a video for an artist called Vantage. He's a very good singer, and this is my second video shoot with him. It went well. It was kind of unorthodox, and yeah, it was a shoot. You see me? So basically, the reason why I'm doing a vlog today, guys, is because I wanted to speak about a few things. First of all, I think that whenever we're being booked for a shoot out of town, it is very important for creatives to ensure that they book somewhere that is comfortable, somewhere that is up to par for their standards or their comfort or whatever the case is. Basically, I'm at this villa where the artist booked for me. It's called Countryside Club, and it has a nice name, so I thought it would be very nice. But as you can see, this is the villa. Don't get me wrong, the show was entirely good. I got first class treatment, food was delivered to me, liquor, I got liquor. As soon as I came to the location, I had a bottle of Ray and Nephew. They gave me a bottle of Ray and Nephew and stuff to chase it with. I was comfortable the entire time being here, but the only problem was that I didn't really enjoy the place that was booked. I think it could have been better. For one, the doors are hard to close. The bathroom door does not have a lock on it. There's roaches in there. The place looks dilapidated. There was a lizard in here. There's paint in the bathroom. There's still fresh paint on the wall. Stuff like that. And it was an oversight on my behalf because I didn't really ask them where was the location or anything like, or what was the ratings for the location, any reviews or nothing like that. I just came and settled in, and I realized how dilapidated the place was. So yeah, so going forward, I would advise anyone that if they're shooting out of town and they're staying overnight, to ensure that they review the hotel or the villa or whatever place they're staying, to ensure that they will be comfortable, they will be safe, and all of that stuff. Big up Vantage. Big up everyone that came out yesterday and this morning to make sure that the shoot was a success. I enjoy being in Hanover. I haven't been here in a while. I love the birds, I love the trees, I love the temperature. I woke up and the place was misty. So yeah, I really enjoyed those stuff, and I really look forward to working with the artists again. So yeah, that's it. Guys, remember to keep liking, to keep subscribing, blah blah blah, smash that button, blah blah blah, whatever that I say at the end of the videos. But yeah, love and respect, one love, Irie, I'm out.
Get some money, tell her hustle, get the money, hustle your money, get your money, get the money back. Get some money, tell her hustle, get the money back, get the money back, get the money back.